What is drawing instruments? Now let us enlist the different instruments used in engineering graphics. Drawing board is used to support the drawing sheet. Drawing board side is 25 mm thick. The surface is the board is smooth. Drawing sheet holder is used to carry and hold the drawing sheet by folding the sheets round. Drawing sheet, also called a chart paper, is a sheet used for drawing. Its standard size is A0, whose dimension is 1188 mm in length and 840 mm in width. Drawing pins and clips are used to fix the drawing sheet on the drawing board. Sellotape is used to fix the sheet on the board. Pencils are basically used to drawing lines or anything on drawing sheet. The accuracy and appearance of drawing depends on the quality of pencil use. The grade of pencils HB, 2H and H are mostly used. Eraser is used to erase the drawing. Duster or handkerchief is used to clean the dust and remaining of the eraser from the drawing sheet. It is also used to wipe the pencil's dust. Scales are used to measure the lines. Set squares are generally made from plastic or celluloid material. Two types of set squares are used. They are triangular in shape with one corner, a right angle triangle. One has an angle 30, 60 and 90 degrees, and other is 45, 45 and 90 degrees. A pair of set squares facilitates marking of angles as shown. It's used to draw lines at 45 degrees and 60 degrees to the vertical and horizontal. Protector is semicircular in shape and both side readable angle and used to measure angle. French curve is a template composed of different curves. It is used in manual drafting to draw smooth curves of varying radii. Drafting machine is a device which is mounted to the drawing board. It has rulers whose angles can be precisely adjusted with a controlling mechanism. A drafting machine allows easy drawing of lines over the paper. Compass is used for drawing an angle. Circle, semicircle and different arcs.